Hey, once again, welcome back. So another session we're going to get through. It's the Batfamily. Why I choose the Batfamily, you can find out. So let's go through this session. Let's go to Gotham City. Now I'm here kind of busy cooking. So let's go through this. To be honest, though, I've lately felt that in the comic book business world, all these big companies lost interest and are not bold anymore. They're going for the characters that they know will sell. So they are like overproducing, I feel. We have like Spider-Verse with unlimited source of Spider-Man. We had Miles Morales, we have the Batfamily, and we have a lot of different Hulks, Captain Americas, a lot of different Avengers group. Not enough original characters. When I was younger, I remember we have a lot of new groups, new characters being introduced in the Marvel's universe comic book and the DC universe comic book. You could have new groups with new names. It didn't have to be X-Men nor Avengers. Now the Marvel universe is like crowded with Avengers and X-Men. And I remember you could have the Defenders, you could have the Champions, you could have New Mutants, you can have a lot of different groups. Of course, they didn't last, but it was exciting. They could have. You could have new characters, new powers, not only the exactly same character with a new suit, younger, or different race or gender. But that's just my opinion, what I feel about it. It should be exciting to have something new in the Marvel Universe. I think in the 90s we had the last ones, Deadpool and all these characters, X-Men, Cable, I think were the last ones that came out. They were like new. We didn't have anything new after that. But anyways, this session I decided to draw the Batfamily. I always liked the Batman, of course, I like to draw him. And for me, the only Robin is Dick Grayson. But in the comics, he grew up and he's doing his own thing. Nothing wrong about that. I feel that the readers like that. And now we have his son, Bruce Wayne's son, Damian Wayne, taking over the mantle of Robin. Don't know too much about him. Here they are. I wanted to create the Batfamily, especially the ones that I know about and the ones that I've read about. So of course we have Dick Grayson taking the spotlight, together with the Batgirl, Barbara Gordon, daughter of Commissioner Gordon. I don't know what happened there. I remember the Joker shot her and destroyed her back. And she was in a wheelchair and she was called something. And I don't know what happened. I know that they've had a lot of reboots. Or the universe, DC universe has rebooted because of somebody went back in time. It happens a lot of times. So now she's back being Batgirl, jumping out of roofs. And she's not in a wheelchair. So she's back in a matter here. And of course we have the Red Hood. I like Death in the Family, so I put him here too. He's kind of interesting character. I don't know too much about him. So he's here too. And one of the other Robins, I think this is Damien, I can't remember which one to choose. And we have the Bat in the back, looking over his family, feeling proud. So this, when I do multiple characters, it takes more time, so I'll give it more time. I'm starting out with the pencil work, as usual. I make the body postures. What do I want? I really wanted them to jump towards the viewer. I wanted rooftops behind them, but I skipped. It would have taken too long of time, and this session I didn't have that long a time. You have life also coming in the way. So I drew all of them, making the posters, and then I started to ink the outlines, doing it clean. After inking, as I always do, taking away the pencil work with an eraser so you can see clearly exactly where they are. I already decided I wanted a black background. And of course, Dick Grayson is taking the mantle of the leader because Batman don't like that. He's just overseeing everything. So with the inks, I'm inking the details and I start on the shadowing, the heavy shadows, always trying to understand the light source from everything. I was going to make rain on this one too, but I skipped. So instead, to get the environment of being in Gotham City, I put some lightning behind them. A big one, hoping it would look cool. Now I don't know if I managed that result, but I put the lighting in Anyways, just to make it exciting and make it look more cinematic. And then the background is going all black as always, just to frame the characters, making them pop out. And I needed some rain too. Just decided last second to put in the rain because it will fit with the lightning and the atmosphere in Gotham City. So the lightning was made with leaving some black, leaving some white, and then making it look like electricity around the white. And I do it with circles, like going all crazy with circles. The process is pretty fun with doing that. It looks natural like that, and I like going crazy with it. So after I use the white ink for the rain and the splash of the rain on the bodies, I start with the black ink too. Then in some heavier back shadowing, I like to put some white in it too, look more alive like that. So here's the final results, the Batfamily jumping into action. And I'm happy even the Batman took his little space in this one. So this is how a session usually look like. Of course, it takes around 1 hour, 1.5 hours to finish one of these from start to finish. But it's always fun, and I have good company doing it. If you want to join in every day. If not, you can watch here, or you can watch in my channel the live sessions after. We have all of them there calmly. You can take it easy and watch them calmly whenever you want. Thanks for this week. I hope you enjoyed this vid. Hopefully see you next week, and let's go through another session. Now take good care of each other, and let's see each other later.